Hey little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super cute, an umbrella with a happy face and little shoes. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, take your black marker. Draw a big half circle on your paper. Great job! Now, close the bottom with 3 curved lines, like little hills. Now let's draw a tiny curved line on top, that's the umbrella cap. Next, draw 2 curved lines from the top to the bottom. Now our umbrella has 3 parts. Let's draw the handle of the umbrella, a straight line going down. At the end of the handle, we'll draw 2 big shoes, because this umbrella is a little character standing up. Let's give our umbrella 2 small hands on each side. They look like little hooks holding the umbrella up. Super cute! Now comes the fun part. Let's draw a cute face. Draw 2 big round eyes. Add a tiny black circle in the middle and a little eyelash. Now draw a big smiley mouth. So happy! Let's decorate our umbrella with some fun circle patterns. Draw small and big dots inside each umbrella part. Looking adorable!
La da 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 dee.
Now go over your lines again to make the outline bold and sharp. Wow! Our umbrella character really pops now. Time to color. Let's use light baby colors today. Here are the colors we'll use. Yellow color.
Wow!
Pink red color. Blue color. Purple color. Orange color. Green color. Yay! Our umbrella character is complete. You did such an amazing job. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you next time on Toddlers Art Hub.
Yay!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.